How's it going? Mike Love here from MarineMax Ocean View, and today we're taking a look at a 2027 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Starting on the back of the boat, this is going to be powered by a 115 Mercury 4-stroke. This is equipped with the aft seating package, which is going to give you these 2 jump seats. And this backrest does pop out to give you 2 rod holders on the back for those days you want to do more fishing. You have a bilge pump underneath, and this is the new design 17 Montauk, so that gas tank is in the floor. Really cool on this reversible pilot seat. You have the built-in live well underneath, or great insulated storage space. Coming up to the helm, 9-inch multifunctional display from the Simrad, JL audio all throughout the boat, so great tune option. Cup holders, and then all your switching. Bimini overhead for those sunny days. This is the fishing package, which is going to give you the Plano box storage, as well as these additional rod holders on the back of the, the front of the console. And then you get a cushion backrest for the cooler seat, and up on the front, an awesome casting platform or sun pad with the cushions equipped. There's all non-skid underneath there, so if you are fishing, nice and grippy. And then you have a storage compartment and an anchor locker in the front. So again, this is Mike Love here on a 2027 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other available inventory, we'd love to have you stop by. Thanks. Catch you out on the water.